Hello, I'm Edi, and I'm the CTO of Esenca. I'm a computer vision scientist and a fellow engineer. So, Esenca is an expanding technology company that develops AI, machine learning, computer vision tools for apparel, footwear, commerce, and medical application. And we offer many tools in order to lower the return rates, to boost the user experience, which is a very important thing when developing new tech, and to enrich the analytics data. Our solutions are web-based widgets working on any mobile device which have a front camera and access to internet. This was very important for us because we want to bring this awesome technology we all develop here to every single person in the comfort of their home, using just their mobile device. We have many solutions developed and in the process of developing. So we have Esenca Easy Body Fit, which is just a simple fit predictor using just data like height, weight, age, and gender to predict simple measurements. We have perfect body fit and tailor fit, which are using images plus the previous data in order to extract exact measurements of the body. Also, we have a virtual assistant, which is very user-friendly and helps users to have the optimal measurement experience. We have Esenca Analytics, which provides insights regarding the results of the measuring. Esenca Virtual Try-On, which is what we try to achieve in the next few months, like a full virtual try-on experience where you could just look in the mirror, see how clothes would fit you during various poses, so the avatar will mimic your poses, so you could see all the angles and all the poses possible you wish. Also, we have Esenca for footwear, handwear, and health, which are during development. Here we have a sneak peek at Esenca Easy Body Fit. It's a very simple interface where the user just inserts their data, responds to two simple questions, and in a matter of a few milliseconds, they have their fit. Then we have Esenca Perfect Body Fit, where the user has to take two images. It is a similar process to the previous, to Esenca Easy Body Fit, but he will have to be guided to take two images. Here we have a view at how Esenca Perfect Body Fit works. So you insert your height, then you insert your weight, select the gender and age. You watch a small tutorial regarding how you should measure yourself in the environment, and then the scanning starts. Here we have a side-by-side comparison between the old positioning system and the current positional system. We can the artifacts that you see are from GIF compression, so you can ignore them. You can see that the new version is much faster than the older version, because on the older version we had the positioning model running on a server, and we had to communicate with the server back and forth, and this was like 6 to 8 frames per second. Now we have a new model which works on the mobile device, on any mobile device, smart device actually. And it works with 25 FPS, so it's virtually real time. And you can see the difference between the two measurements because it is a lot easier for the user now to position himself. And also we added the skeleton for good measure, so the people would understand actually what those points are. Now, using this data, this measuring process, we can generate the 3D model. And this is not a parametric model like you have a standard model and then you just deform it. No, it is made from scratch. It is generated from scratch. So we have these two segmentation masks, which represent me. This is me in these two masks. We generate the 3D model. And as you can see, it is a high accurate model. We will increase the number of polygons to have an even finer 3D model. But our goal was to see if we could generate the 3D model from just two masks, and we will continue to improve our work in the future. And this 3D model is based on some parameters of vector body shape, And on the next slide, we have 6 3D bodies generated with various vector body shape sizes. And you would think that more parameters necessarily mean better performance. But no, you could see that on the right side, the two models have some artifacts, and they are very different in shape than the first 4. Which mean that there are specific, like on the Fourier transform, you have specific frequencies you want to untangle. This is the same. You have specific number of parameters which work better for the human body. So there will be like, for 12 work fine, for 20 works bad, for 25 works fine again, and so on. It is a matter of empirical testing. Here we have a little sneak peek at our virtual try-on. It is still in development, but this is what we achieved up until now. We had the 3D model, and we want to put various clothes. So you have a normal fit cloth, now a loose fit cloth on the 3D model, and then a suit which is tighter fit. So something like this, it is our goal in the next few months, to have the 3D model, and also the 3D model, we rigged some of them, and we would like them to be fully responsive to the user's mimicking pose. Here is the team that made this possible. We have Dragoș, the CEO, me, Cosmin and Mihai, and Theo. We have a demo at 11:30 and a full presentation at 6:45, so I wait for you to see more details about what we do at Esenca. Thank you.